trade. This is a live account, as you can see right here, live with some an 1 hour chart. Just took some trades and I updated the members section, so I'm gonna show the members section later. So what I did, guys, was I just came back from Dubai. I sold my previous car and I just got this Mercedes. I'm just gonna use it as a daily, and I'll use it as a daily because I'm thinking of moving to Dubai permanently. What do you guys think? So let's go back. These are some more trades I took, so it's all good. So I'm just preparing the course for the in-person, and hope you guys like the video and like the trade that's coming after this video. Now the market, I already updated in the members section, which I'm gonna show what is gonna happen in the market if it breaks this position. And like I said, the video version is still available. We're having a 20% discount on all the video version courses, and I have some students that made like $5,000 withdrawal, $10,000 withdrawal, just from watching only the video version and learning themselves. So it's all good. It's all good. This would be my daily driver for a day, and hope to see you guys in Dubai. The in-person session is going to be on March 2nd. And it's going to be a glorious session. We're going to have a 3-day course workshop teaching everything, trading the markets with no indicators. These are the things you can achieve when you know how to trade one pair. You focus on one pair. You trade without indicators. You trade like the banks. You know how to hedge. You know how to do everything that all these other traders are not teaching you. Okay, they are promising you stupid results with indicators. You cannot go to the exchange office. This is real markets. This car is real. Money is real. You go to the exchange office, you're not taking any indicators. Okay, so get the video version, better your life. I have students who have turned 2K to 100K just from watching the video version, taking the one-on-one course. They've changed their life, guys. They have. Just look at all this. These are real things going on, real things in the market. So hope you guys like the video, share and subscribe, and I hope I keep on motivating you guys. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX, and in today's video I'll be talking about the non-farm payrolls. I'm going to do some analysis and we're going to look through some emails. Like, for example, look at this email. So what about the support and resistance, blah blah blah, because I used all these things and they don't work all the time. This is what I keep telling you guys. I keep telling you guys that 90% of people who trade Forex, over 90%, lose. They lose. And what are over 90% of the people who trade Forex do? They use these strategies, okay, these ones here that he's talking about. I get multiple emails like this. This is the second month in 2020 and people are still procrastinating. Even if you're not buying the course, try trading without indicators. Challenge yourself and just see the results. If you cannot take these indicators and price action or whatever to exchange your real money, why are you using it on your real account? Everything you need on your MT4 is there. We're going to get into that soon. Okay? Every day, every month, put in, at least just look at the charts. Even if you're not trading, look at the chart. Begin to see it. The market does the same thing over and over and over again, but not the same way. We're going to get to the chart soon. So this is an example of the members area, and we're going to check some charts out. So this is our analysis done in the members area. So even students comment, I update, this is the chart, plain and simple. Some people will look at this and say, oh, you're putting support, oh, you're putting this. Use your brains, guys. This is not support. Okay, if you're a student, you should know 110% know what these boxes mean. Okay, they are used for hedging, they are used for scalping. If you can't use your common sense to know what these are, then it shows how much indicators has influenced you. Indicators only give you bad habits. And then I receive comments and emails like, oh, what about these numbers? Are they not indicators? Am I using them to trade? These numbers are simply the size of the candlesticks. They're simply the size of the candlesticks. I can do this and just measure the candlesticks myself, But it's faster for me for it to tell me. All I need to know is my daily range and know the trend. And I can simply, just from knowing those two, I can simply hedge out my trades. Like the banks do and the trading institutions do. Plain and simple, guys. If you recall, I said all you have to do is learn how to read the charts without indicators and you're scot-free. Some of you don't even try. You without using indicator, trading without using indicator, and you start having withdrawal symptoms like a drug addict. Shouldn't that tell you something? Using indicators breeds bad trading habits. Now, if you recall, like I said, on NFP week, I've said this over and over and over, even in my trading videos, my free analysis videos. NFP week, on the non-farm payrolls week, you will either see two things: a change in direction of the trend at the beginning of the week, or from Wednesday. And what do we get from the beginning of the week? A change in direction of the trend. I told this to my students. Okay. And with my system A or system B, the scalping methods, if there is no trade, my system will not put you in the position to be stuck in any trade. The only time you will need to hedge is when there's a change in direction. It's not like you're always hedging. No. All we need, whatever you need to use to trade, is all in your MT4. Start exploring your MT4. And I'm not talking about free MT4 indicators, please. Everything you need. Your daily range is here. There are some other things. The moment you enter trades, there are things that are shown in the MT4 that you use to make your trade. Everything you need is there. Plain and simple. My students trade without any indicators. I also trade without any indicators. 95% of you trade with indicators, and you trade with support and resistance, you trade with, but still you are 95% is losing. How come my system works over 90% of the time? Even when I give signals, in the signal group, I never give any signal that has a risk to reward ratio of less than 5:1. Regularly have risk to reward ratios of 7:1, 8:1, sometimes 10:1. Any students in the signal group can testify to this. Alright, guys? Plain and simple, you do not need any indicators. The market does the same thing. If you recall, I've said this over and over again. The market does the same thing every single time, but in a different way. Use your sense to figure that out. If you want to know more, and you click the link in the description below and send me an email to find out why. Or if you want to buy the course, you can click the link in the description below or send me an email. Trading is easy, guys. Really, really easy. When you know what you're doing, you will not rush. Even when we scalp, we are not, there's something coming up. Everything is timed. That's why I have my timer here. The market is timed. Everything that's going to happen is timed. The daily ranges are calculated. The weekly ranges are calculated. Use your sense. They will not, even when the market is being moved, they have their own rules. Knowing these rules will give you the advantage. Okay, knowing these rules will give you the advantage. My students know what this means. They know what will happen if the market goes and breaks this. They know what it means. They know what to do next. All we are doing is following the banks and the market to profit by trading the same system they use based on the same rules that they have. They cannot exceed a specific weekly range, because if they do that, they will destroy the market. Can you imagine if this week they move 1,000 pips, next week they move 2,000 pips? This is real money, guys. I don't think because of the animations here, so many people are confused. These animations here are just to help you read it better. They've tried their best. What if they didn't put the candlesticks? Okay, what if they didn't put the lines and they were just putting only numbers for you guys? They've made it very easy for you to trade without indicators, yet you are like drug addicts that need to use these indicators. And it's breeding bad habits. Try. Give yourself 1 week without using indicators and see how hard it is for you. That should show you that you've been breeding bad habits and you didn't know. Challenge yourself. Okay, so like I said, we're on a long trend. What I predict from the non-farm payrolls, predicting the market is easy. Don't let anyone fool you with free analysis. Oh, I'm saying this, I know how to trade because I can do analysis. Anyone can do analysis, but can you trade the market with that analysis? That's where the problem comes into. Even when I give free signal trades. Before anything happens, if I see the market is not going this way I want it to go, we pull out of the trade fast before anything happens. How many people? Most people will tell you, 90% of people will let you hit your loss. Because the way I see the market, I am looking at it real time. I am not trying to fight the market. I'm not trying to predict or pray or hope. I never pray. Guys, if you are buying the market and praying for it to go long, just know that there's someone out there selling the market, praying for it to go short. Never pray. If you keep on praying, stop hoping, stop praying. No one is going to save you. Learn to trade. Plain and simple. It's that simple. What I predict for the NFP, non-farm payrolls, because it's always tricky, it's always trying to fool people and trick people, is probably going to break these lows and then probably going long. Remember, you also have to know the strengths of the currency pairs you are trading. If you want to find out how to do that, you have to be a student. If you want to buy the course, you can click the link in the description below, or you can send me an email. These things are easy. Easy. The moment you see how free this is, you will be shocked at what you've been doing for years. You will. That I can guarantee. All these things are easy. It's all there on the charts. Remove your indicators and explore. The reason why you are trading 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs is because you do not, you think, oh, I'm not getting enough pips. I have to go to this pair. I have to go to that pair. And you are on it every time, scrolling through each chart. Oh, now I'm on your, how many charts are you checking in a day? How many? How are you now? How are you supposed to be focused and know what is going on? Are you a machine? So guys, think. And it doesn't matter what happens during the non-farm payrolls. I do not care. I just want to follow the market to profit. Why would I fight the market? Why? Why would I try to predict something? Why not just look at what it's doing, then follow it? Is that so hard? Is that so hard? Breeding bad habits. So guys, the market is on a long trend. Nothing has happened so far. It's still going long. I said this. I already put it since last week, or is it the beginning of the week? Either last week or the beginning of the week. Let me check it out. So I'm not going to show you what I put down here for the description. This is just for students. If you want to be a student, you have to buy the course. Like I said, the video version gives you free 365 days and it's on a discount. And you can have the one-on-one where you can call to ask any questions. No question is too stupid. Any stupid question can save you in the market. You can always book a session whenever you want. Okay, you have lifetime access to this. So like I said, all this has been put since, let me see, what day was it? Yeah, beginning of February 4th. Okay, so like I said, we are patient. We are just looking at what the market is doing and we follow its profits like the banks do. Questions. I know, guys, I know. Everyone wants to be the one who says, oh, you want to show everyone, you want to do it alone. You want to let everyone know that I made it, I did it alone. But that's not how life works. Even when I started, because it hasn't happened doesn't mean it's not going to happen. But the reason why some of it hasn't happened is because most of you guys are trying to do it alone. You want to show everyone that I made it, I did it alone. I showed you guys. But even I had to ask questions. I was once working for $10 a day. Yes, guys, I've said this before if you recall. Well, I had to ask bankers. I had to ask hedge fund managers. When I saw them, I saw the opportunity and the way they spoke about the market was different from any other thing I've ever heard on YouTube. If you keep on procrastinating, you will not be where you want to be in life. That is how life is. When you wake up in the morning, you don't want to go to work. You don't want to, it's normal. Even when I wake up, there are things I don't want to do. Even Jeff Bezos, a billionaire, there are things he doesn't, he would rather just sleep in the bed. He has over 100 billion. Why is he still waking up every day? Because life, you have to push yourself. You can't be sitting down doing nothing. That's not how it works. You can't say, oh, I did it alone. No, even Jeff Bezos didn't do it alone. No one did it alone. No billionaire, no millionaire did it alone. It's nice to say, it's nice for everyone. It's natural. It's normal to say I did it alone. But if you keep on procrastinating, nothing is going to happen. It's going to go from tomorrow to next week to next month to next 5 years to next 10, 20 years. And before you know it, time is gone. And what is time? Time is money. So you're not, when you're wasting your time, you're wasting your own money, because that's money you could have been making. Like I said, if you want more information, you click in the link in the description below. Hope you guys have a nice trading week. Hope you had a nice trading week. And hope you have a nice weekend ahead, and you have a nice trading week next week also. If you want to buy the course, you can click in the link in the description below or send me an email. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. You know, why are they not teaching you how to hedge? They're still struggling to keep their losses small by giving you 100 pips stop losses, 200 pips stop losses, 500. That's because they are guessing. They don't know. 100 pip stop loss is some pairs 3 days range. That's some weekly ranges for some pairs. Why the fuck are they giving you weekly ranges as stop losses? Why are they not teaching you how to hedge? Because they are still struggling. They are still struggling to learn how to control their losses. They can't trade an account for more than a week. They can't trade it for more than a month. Are they going to teach you to trade Forex full time? When they can't even tell you how to exit. They don't even know when the market is not going their way. Think, guys, think. If you're new to trading and you want to start with indicators because it's easier, trust me, it is not. It is not. You can't take it to an exchange office to exchange your money. Why would you trade it with your real money? Sometimes you tend to forget, but the moment you deposit your money, you tend to forget that it's real money. Just because you're looking at all this, you know, use your sense, guys. Stop giving yourself bad habits. Challenge yourself. Even if it's for a week, try to trade without indicators. Learn to hedge. How do I hedge? 2 simple things. I can use the daily range and these boxes. This box that I drew is more powerful than any indicator you have, any indicator you can put on your MT4. Just this box. And my students know this. They know this. All right. Like I said, if you want to learn more, click in the link in the description below to learn more about the courses. If you want to buy the course, click the link in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.